guys. So I'm gonna tear this down. I'll take out my charger. Put that over here. There you go. And we're gonna have to take this apart. This one has little bolts on here. So we're gonna get some tools. Tear this down. Get the brass. Okay, we got the top off, guys. I don't think this here is really gonna matter that much. This little clip here, I think it's, well, it might actually. That one fell right off. Get this one. You're gonna make it or you're not gonna make it, you know. Is this brass? Yeah. Stainless, probably. Some stainless right there, I guess. That's all the stainless is the screws. Yeah. All our stainless little doohickeys right here. Look at the brass, guys. 3, 4, 5. That's why this was so heavy, guys, because it was an older model. More brass. This is good. This is good. 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 2 more here. Alright. Metal, not plastic, guys. Too bad. It's all steel. This was a really heavy grill. Normally they're not that heavy. Nice chunky pieces there. So now I guess, shoot, I gotta shovel all this, clean this out. The whole thing is too fast. Okay guys, this is where we are. First half of that busted off. Got all the good stuff out, which is right here. Yeah guys, look at those long pieces of brass in here. Nozzles right there. Looks like plastic in that one. Huh. That's odd. But anyway, the tip, all that is brass. This top piece is brass right here. So that's all cast aluminum right here. Even those are nice casters, but I don't know if I want to save the casters or not, to be honest with you. Let's take a look. Nah, it's not aluminum. Oh, there's a bolt. There's a bolt. I don't know if that's stainless. A lot of these little things here have to be picked up. Stainless. Stainless. So all the bolts were stainless. Okay, that looks like them all. Gotta get raked up now. Oh shoot, we got a whole bunch here. These little guys, I don't think that these are stainless. But all these are stainless steel. So, nope. You can tell they're all rusted out too. So the grill, guys. The new pile. There's the grill. All in pieces. Do a mower there, mower there. This would be the next mower that I'll take apart. These things here. All this has to come off so I can get it inside the Jeep, and then this too. I'll come apart. So that's all our stainless steel. There's still one I gotta take off right here. Hard to get my hand. Part very heavy. It took way too long for me to get this in the back of the Jeep. This was a big boy. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We tore it apart, man. We just busted out all the pieces. And we'll see you on the next video. Smash that thumbs up. Share the video. And drop a comment. If you like this video, drop a comment, say hi, whatever. We'll see you on the next one, guys. And remember, get that scrap.